Hello, yes, welcome to another review, and this is a very special one, because I've only just found this today in my toy shop, and it's the Hammond collection. At last, I finally found one. Shame it's not a Raptor or a T-Rex, and this is the Concavenator. Well, you all know it's a cameo from Fallen Kingdom. It wasn't appeared in Fallen Kingdom, but it was a cameo of the one of the worst Jurassic films they've made. Yes, I never liked it, but in Evolution 2, it became a DLC dinosaur for Evolution 2. Has anybody played Evolution 2? And excuse me in the background, just putting one of my figures away from the last two videos I did. Do apologise, putting my Magna Guard away, putting one of my guards away. Putting one of my guards away. Anyway, back to the Concavenator. Yes, it's got some articulation. I have another dinosaur that has articulation, which we'll have a look. We've got near enough two and near enough equally identical. Without further ado, I haven't even opened this yet. Be careful with scissors. Hope I can get in this. Ooh, I'm a bit excited because I've never owned one of these before. Look at that. The box. Do you know what we do with the box? Whee! Whoops. No one saw that. Right. Oh, I've got to cut these horrible bands off. Or unless I can get them off. Just got one on the dinosaur. Which I hate these bands. Ooh, I hate these rubber bands. That's these. Oh no. Got his hands to deal with as well. I've got his hands at the little arms at the back. I'm not looking down at the camera for this one. Come on out, buddy. Come on out. And of course it's Patel as well. Come on out. Oh god, without cutting the arm off. Without cutting its arm. Got it out. I've got the main dinosaur out. I've got to get the tail out. I'll try and get the tail out here. There we are. Got the tail out. There we are, got the dinosaur and its tail. Oh god. Well, I've got the tail back on. Yeah, I do apologise for the delay. Something on the frame of the tail broke. But I fixed it eventually. Now got, as you can tell, it's got tail articulation. It's like Delta, but this is the Hammond collection figure. Hello. Oh, he's waving at the camera. Oh look, he's waving at the camera. There's the Concavenator. Now, for one of the comparisons we're going to do with it is red. That's sort of in scale. Oh, for goodness sake. Right. The Venusaurus, which is huge. The Venusaurus is huge. That can easily take that thing down. The Venusaurus. And the only last articulated dinosaur I can think of to compare it with is the Indoraptor. Oh god, now they're having a fight. Oh god, these two carnivores are having a fight. Well, I suppose we'll let them get on with it while they're doing the video. Oh dear god, they're having a fight. Anyway, after I've broken them up, yes, he's got articulation in the arms. He's got very tiny little arms. He's got very tiny little arms. He's got tiny little arms. It's not similar to the T-Rex. He's got arm articulation. He has arm articulation. I think this is the right way around for the arm. He's got feet articulation. He's got a moving jaw. Nom nom. Shush. You're on camera right now, buddy. You cannot you can't intervene. Apart from the downside with the tail, yeah, that's got articulation. Because once that tail's on, I'm just leaving the tail on. I was going to actually, second thoughts, to apologise about the noise, but I'm just getting Delta. To apologise, I'm getting Delta out. I'm going to get Delta. Oh, for goodness sake, and the zip's broken on this bag as well. I'll change the bag. Oh, for goodness sake. I'll have to get a new bag for Delta. I'll have to get a new bag for Delta. Yes, I'll have to get a new bag for Delta. And this is the next comparison I'm doing is the. Now I've got a figure from the Hammond collection, and now I've got one from the Amber collection. Here's Delta. Oh, now here's Delta. Here's Delta. He's a bit big, so that is not accurate. I'm sure the Hammond collection raptors are more accurate. He's leaving. He's leaving. Because he hasn't got his bag. Oh, I'll give him a new bag in a minute. Well, anyway. Yes. I got him in the toy shop this morning. It's quite amazing. And don't know what I'm doing in the background, but I'm just putting the Delta on his stand. Putting the Delta on the stand. Putting Delta on her stand. She's not very pleased. It's only temporary. Anyway, yes, if you like the Concavenator, I recommend getting it. And good luck finding it. I only found mine in the toy shop. I was lucky enough. There was another dinosaur. It was a flying reptile, but I didn't want the reptile. Good job I moved to the back and I found him. Yes, if you like the Concavenator, stay tuned. Once this video is up, I'll be up. Stay safe, and I forgot to mention his top is soft as well. Well, if you like him, stay tuned, and this is another figure. Stay tuned, and goodbye.